Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you how to make like a admin side, teacher side and parent side and a student side. Make a send message button. Okay. So in this video we can continue like a chat message. Suppose do you want to chat for this user, like this is the receiver ID, we need to send a message for him, like we can show his name and also we can type here message and we can send a message so he can receive the message. So in this video I will continue like receiver ID can means receiver user can receive the message and we need to submit this data inside our tables. So first of all we need to do like a submit messaging, so we need to create like a chat tables. So let's create a first chat table. I have already opened my PHP my admin inside schools.com and also I open my projects. Okay, and you can see it here. Okay, so let's create a first chat table. Chat table inside what information we need, because I have already write it. First of all, sender ID, receiver ID, message, files. Suppose we need to upload any file, so he can upload. Status means like a 0 means not read message, 1 means read message. So we also make a this condition. Created dates, created at and updated at. This is that created date we need to use about the time zone. So we know about this the time zone wise works. Okay. So I can show you one by one how we can implement for this works. So let's create first chat tables. So just click on the new table, name is a chat, and sender ID, receiver ID. First we can make like ID and is a auto increment, sender ID, receiver ID. After we can do like a message. Let's make a more column, file, status, created date, updated date, because I already write it, this reason I am copy paste. Okay, and here I can do a credit, and last one is a updated at. Suppose future we need to add more columns, so we can do, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the like integer value, just choose null. Also receiver ID also integer value, just choose null. This is the you can make like text. Suppose sometimes it's a big message, this reason. And you can make like file name, we need to store our file name, so just make like 255 and you can type null. Okay, status, so this is the tiny integers. By default 0, 0 means is a not read. We can use like more status like delete. Suppose you can make a delete, you can make like a block messages, we can do it inside status, but right now I just explained like read and not read. After we can implement like blocking system, suppose I need to block other users, so we need to use like a status. Okay, not read, one means read. Now create it like integers, because we need to store here our time zone, and this is the date and time. Nulls also updated at is date and time, and nulls. So let's click on the save button. So the chat table is successfully created, so you can see it here. Okay, now open your projects, and inside project you need to go and open your terminal. Let's open my projects and I can show you. Okay, this is the my projects, and we need to create a first model. So just open your terminal. I can make zoom so you can see it like clearly. PHP artisan make model, chat model, and press the enter. Okay, so model successfully created, you can see it here like a model successfully created. So let's go to code again, and we can check here like a app models. Inside you can see it like chat models. Let's make some zoom out so look like better, and just go to exam controller means exam model, just copy and paste. Now you can change here table name, so we know okay, this is the model working for these tables. Okay, so this is the done, and also I can close this one, we don't want to need anything now. Okay, everything's good now. Exam model also good, just close it, no need. Okay, so open your chat model means the HTTP controller. Inside need to go like a chat controller. So first we need to declare our model like a chat model. So let's open any controller, and you can put here, after you can change here like user controller also needs, so leave it. Not a controller, sorry, is a model. User model also needs, so leave it. Now we need to add another model like a chat models. So this is the model we have declared like a app models. Inside there is a like chat model, so you can see it here like a chat model, you can see it here, sorry, chat model, you can see it. Okay, so here is a declaration done. So let's make it get a first get receiver. So we need to get the all the information about the receiver. So we can make like here $data get receiver. Okay, user controller means sorry, user model. Inside we need to fire one function, means we need to do is a one function, but we already done before. So just go to inside and you can see it like get single, and you can put here, and I have already converted like a receiver ID, you can see it like a base 64. So just put here and you can get for this receiver data. Okay, this receiver data we need to show here like his images also. Last scene we don't want to do, so we can remove it, don't worry, we can add like online offline, later we can do it these reasons. Okay, so don't worry about that last scene. Right now I will make a comment out. Here we need to show his name, and also we need to show here like a profile images for this receiver. So just go inside, and now we need to go like chat inside list. So just go to resources, views, inside go to chat, inside you can see it like list. So this is the list, but we need to divide for this list like many parts. Suppose here is a part there like a user part, so this is the user part, we need to divide another files like a chat part. So this is the part like a chat, so where is the start, okay, this is the user info. So this is the also need to divide to other part like all the yes, this is the header, we need to divide other one, and also we need to divide like chat history to other place. So we can declare here all way proper way these reasons. So we know, okay, here is a this code, here is a this code. I hope you can understand what I say. So let's make it first user division. For here all the data we need to make a division to like other file. So we can create a here another file like a minus user. So we need to show here our all the users like user.blade.php. Okay, user.blade.php. Please carefully watch what I am doing, because everything I am working is a Ajax. This reason I need to do divide everything, otherwise I don't want to divide anything. I can do it one place, but I need to work as a Ajax. This reason I am dividing. Just I cut all the code and I can put here. Okay, I just make it proper way, so you can see it here, but I don't want to do it like all, so just remove like other one, just leave it only one here. Okay, let's make it all, because we need to show where is the active class he did. So because here is active class there, this reason I can leave it. So you can see it here, not data found, but I have not saved this file, these reasons. I save these files, I just refresh the page, so you can see it here is no any data about the users because of I have removed here. So let's include these files, include. So where is the include like minus users, sorry, and I save these files and I just go back again, refresh the page. Okay, sorry, I just wrong place, wrong did. Oh, set, because I have not provided like full path, this reasons. Where is the path? Chat dot users minus user, because we have created new files, these reasons. So just go back and refresh the page, so you can see this data is available. Let's remove like last rest of data, just we can leave it like only two data, mean two users. So removing all the users, just leave it last two. Okay, I removed now because we need to use active class, these reasons. I refresh the page, so you can see it here only showing two, also is scroll is gone because the auto increment there, this reason. And also we can make here like a load more button once I will implement like real data these times. Okay, so we have divided like a dollar users data. Now we need to divide like a header part, because we need to divide like our chat header. So what I can do it for chat header, first of all we need to do like one file everything's like a chat messages, everything we can do is a one file. After we can divide inside also other file. So here I can create a new file, dollar messages dot blade dot php. Okay, and I can put all things like headers, also chat history, and also I can put like our discussion. So just cut and paste inside and just make like a scrolling like this, and we can put here like a dollar include message, so automatic work. Okay, why I am at a dash, so we know this is the like sub file inside a folder. This reason I am always making first dash, so we can understand easily. Okay, this is the sub file for the include function. Okay, I save these files and I just go back and refresh the page, so you can see it same as working, no any issue. Now we need to divide like a header. Okay, after we need to divide like a send message, and after this is the like a messaging system. So just go to inside dollar message inside, and we need to divide like first header. So just one, create a header, new file, header.blade.php, and this is the header. I need to divide into new file like a header file, and I can include here like a header. So this is the file I need to include here. Okay, so header, so you can see it. Just go back again, refresh the page, and so you can see it like a header declaration working very well. Same thing we can decide like we need to make it like another chat history in other places, so we can leave it same thing. No, we don't want to like uli, we don't want to do, just inside you can like a single send message we need to do. So right now, because we need to append, once you can send message, so always we need to append here like whatever last message you are done. So let's make a first all, after we can make a single message, so we can understand easily what I need to do. Okay, so let's make a first all. So just copy like all part, and we can create a new file, our chat.blade.php. Okay, because this is the chat, all the chat about our like two user, and we can put here same thing we can include here like chats. So now is a header divided, also we have divided like chats. Okay, so now everything is clear. I hope you can understand what I did, and so do you not understand anything, so please comment out, I will always try to help. Okay, so I show you clear, very clear, clever fail means clearly, so I think you can understand everything, so no issue. So just go back again, refresh the page, so here is no any errors, you can see it. Okay, so here is the last part available like our chat parts. So chat part we don't want to divide any place, same thing we can leave it here, but we can do is like proper way. I think is not good way, because we need to make like big text area here, so you can chat it here easily. So let's create a new one, we don't want to use like this one, just using like text area class form control, because the text area look like better. Let's comment out, we don't want to need, and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a text area, so you can make it big it down, whatever do you want to make, so you can do it this reasons. Okay, and we can provide like here is a two button like a send message, and here you can also choose the files, like here you can choose the files, here you can choose the like a send message. You click on the send message, so message go. So you can type multiple messages, this reason I need a text area, so look like better. After do you want to make like a text box, so you can also use it text box, I have no issue. Div class row, inside I will create two files. This is the I am using bootstrap class call md6, and also we need to put here like a 6. Now here I can make like a button class btn primary. Here I can make like a send, means we can send a message using this one, and here I can make like text align right. style text align right. Okay, so everything is good. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a send button. But here is doing the group wise, this reason is not working. So let's make it here like another div, so look like better, and it's going to down. And I can make here like a style display block. Okay, I save these files. I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can, okay, where is the problem? Let's make a spec element and check, so we can see it like clearly. I think input group generated the problem because here's doing the flags, this reason. Remove the flags, so look like better. So we can remove the input box here, we don't want to need this one. Okay, just remove, no need for this one. You can remove the input groups because it's doing the flags, this reason. Okay, I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like look like better, and we can see it proper way. And just we can make it like a this end button like a down, margin top 10 px, so look like better. Okay, so send message I made it downs and put it here like this. And I think I don't want to need also like display blocks because automatic work now proper way. So everything is clear. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a professional way. So where you can send your message here, and after clicking the send message, so we can send a message. So let's create first form. Okay, so here I can remove this one. I just do is like a div to direct, I can do is a form. Here is the action we can make it null because we need to use here ajax. Here we can do it like our classes, whatever class do you want to like, you can do it your end. So I have no issue. Sorry, I have made some zoom outs, so 1 minute. So we need to do here one id like submit message ajax, submit message, whatever, I think submit message. Okay, so you are submitting message, so we can send him. So we need to put here like a token. So let's open any file, and first we can give here method is equal to post, and also we can provide url whatever we can do. Okay, so don't worry about that, this is not big deal. Just go to any file like admin, add file, and you can crf fields, you can copy and paste here, so we can use a like our token. Also we need to do here like one input box, input file, who is a receiver, because of we have already passed like here receiver, get receiver. So first of all we need to make here condition like get receiver is not blank. Okay, so just go to like message file, because our main file there is a message. Here we have include header, we have include like chat, and we have include like a form parts. Okay, so we can make here condition if is not empty, otherwise we don't want to make here condition. So here you can leave it, just go to chat file like list.blade.php, you can make it here condition, not here. If is not empty, get receiver, because we already passed it. Please carefully watch, I ever add a like a function is not empty, sometime get receiver variable not found, so we can't go inside. And here we can make like else part, I can show you, don't worry. Else part inside we can do like a same as you can see like other website, select your conversation, so you can send a message like this, we can write a message. So I refresh the page, so you can see it, here is a no issue. But once I will remove inside chat like receiver id, so you can see it like not showing anything here. I hope you can understand what I say. Okay, suppose I can add receiver id, so you can see it like everything clearly show, and here like input like hidden fields. So let's make a first condition, after we can make a send message. Okay, so receiver id not found, so let's go to again messages. Everything is cool, no issue. So just we can go and refresh the page, so we can see what is the issue, and we can remove this receiver id. I don't know why it's going to white screen every place. So just go like here, chat message, background white, why is not working? Let me back again and we can check containers, row, tail here, chat, and here we have to go down, chats, border left, but why is not showing the like a background white? This is the question. Suppose I am removing the like a receiver id inside url, chat history there. Let's we can implement for the background because of the we are removing the receiver id, so inside classes wise it's not working very well this reason. So let's make a implement our background. So here is a background there, so just you can make like background f, so you can see it our background and overflow auto already there, so we have no issue here. Just go to for this class chat app dot people list, and you can go to list one, and here you can make like a background fff. Okay, I save these files and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like showing the background. Once I will choose like any user, so automatic showing here data, but first here right now data not showing, so we need to write here like a message, select your conversation, but we can do is a later, we don't want to do now. Okay, I just go to admin list, I click on the send message, so you can see it like proper way like a send message, but let's make it also like a we have made a like bigger, so we can resize for this bottom one like a inside there this one, so just one goes down, chat history is a we have fixed like height, so we can make like 500, so look like better we can see it here. Okay, so just go to down here any place you can see it like chat history, otherwise you can search like 600 px, so you can see it like a 600, so you can make it like here 500. I have saved these files, I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it also I have got a receiver. I already show you how I have made a condition, like you can see it here like is not empty, so it's going to inside, so we can make it here name. Go to message, like you can see it like include message inside we have include like a header, so go to headers and we can make it here like a url. First we can make like he is a profile dynamic, so get receiver get, let's go to first user model, and we have did here like a get function like a profile get, so you can see like get profile direct. Just copy this one and put here, so automatic you can get for this receiver he is a profile pic. I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here we are not getting for this one, so 1 minute. What's the issue? 1 minute, I just spec element check. Okay, 1 minute. What is the problem? Let's go to chat model again, receiver id, I get the data, not get the data, I need to check first dd. I save this file, I just refresh the page, so okay I get here 100% data, so no issue. I just save these files and just go back again, and let's show first name is showing not showing. Okay, I save these files, I just go back again, refresh the page. So what is the problem? Because I have add after I have not save this file, this region generated the issue, otherwise no any issue. Okay, let's make height width is a fix, so look like better, like height also 40 px and width also 40 px, so look like professional, show like a round for this user profile, otherwise everything working. Okay, so just go and put here, and also we need to put his name, so here you can put like a name and last name, so just you can put like name, and also you can put here like a last name, so means a last name, and you can make it here comment out, because last thing we don't want to do now, later we can implement, because of the right now we have not did anything, otherwise you can do it, but right now I just comment out. Okay, I refresh the page and I just go back again, so you can see like test admin, because I go to for this user, I just go to admin, send message, so you can see it like only admin. Suppose I go to teachers and I can choose anyone teacher, so teachers for there, Suppose I click on the send message, so you can see it like a teachers for, you can see it. Let's make a light scene also, because I don't want to make it like this. So just you can copy, and here you can use like carbon. We need to implement here like updated at, like updated date. Suppose you are login, so your date always update, like updated ads. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like a live scene. This is the date and time. Like we need to do like 10 hour ago, 20 hour ago, so we need to implement like here carbon. So we know, okay, what is there, we can do it. So I can just copy like other file function, like a function working like this. I just copy and I put here like this, and just you can change here like get receiver updated at, and you can remove your code here. So you can see it like last scene whatever there, this one. Okay, I save these files, I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it last scene 2 months ago. I think this project we have started like 2 months completed. This reason is showing the 2 months ago. Suppose going to admin, and we can go like this admin send message, so showing the 5 days ago, because this is the admin we have created like 5 days ago. This reason showing the last scene 5 days ago. Let's go to teachers force. Okay, and I click on the send message, and here I can see it like 2 months ago. So is the meaning about once he can log in, so we need to update it at his like a updated at inside database column, so we can show it here like a proper data. Right now login time is not working. So let's go to login screen, app, auth. Inside we need to go to like F login. You need to like you need to here update your updated ad once user login, so we need to update it. Otherwise we need to create here like a kernel, sorry, otherwise we need to go to like middleware. Inside we need to do it like middleware, inside like admin middleware, and here we can sort out like user, every place we need to put like for the update query. But let's right now leave it, we can do it later, because once I will implement everything, after I can showing like a common video, and we can implement everything about like live scene and how we can do it like a online scenes. Okay, so this is not big deal, I can show you like a cache wise we need to do, so you can easily implement how we can do it. Suppose cache we can implement like is online not online, this is the parts. So we don't want to use like live scene online not online, but I will show you how we can do it, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is right now is a wrong way, means is just showing the date, but we need to make like online not online, so this is the reason we need to use like cache. So don't worry about that, I can show you. So we can also don't need anything about that here, just cut, just cut here, and you can make it like 12 here, and just go to like messages, and you can put here like this here md. Okay, lg to md, and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here like this is the data here. Okay, so it's clear, and we can no need a center like text right there, so we just removing, and we can go to back again, so look like better, you can see it. But we need to remove like some part, like messaging we don't want to need, like camera we don't want to need, image you can leave it, and question also just remove, leave it only like a one, like app images, and just you can make it like same like margin top like 10 px, so look like better. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it now proper. You can upload your images here wise, and this is the need to show here like receiver id, so we can put here our receiver id. So name is equal to receiver id, and we can type is equal to text. After I make like a hidden, but just need to show you how it's work, this reason I make like a text here, and here I can make get receiver, just you can go to like get receiver, and you can put here like a is id, so we know okay this is the user can receive the message. And we do our sender id, so we can do it here sender id, but we can do inside controller, we know about our sender id, so don't worry about that. Okay, so just refresh the page, so you can see it like a 21. And also I make a required for this, and here you can I can type like a name is equal to message, and this is the required. Right now I am showing like only send a message. I am not showing the like a file uploading also, just showing the send message. Okay, so name is equal to submit, sorry, type is equal to submit, not name. Submit. Okay, everything is good. Here you pass like a submit id, also receiver id, and also our text message. Just copy this name and we can go to list.blade.php and we need to write our scripting code here, because we need to send message using the jQuery Ajax. Okay, so just we can change here like script, and here we need to write our scripting code. This is the already I have added yield function, yield inside a app. I can show you layouts inside, go to app, so you can just go down, so you can see it like script. This reason I am using directly section script. Okay, so I think you understand what I am talking about, because new user need to know about that, because old user is suppose following the series, so he know how we can do it. So don't worry about that. This is the point here. So first of all we need to make it here like a one body, because we need to use delegate. So just I'm typing the scripting. I know I already there other project codes, but let's show you using the typing, so it's good for you and you can learn a new thing. This reason like submit message, because we have put like id, okay, we have put about the class, so we can check, okay, this is the id, so we need to use like a hash sign here. Okay, like here we can make like submit. Okay, because we need to use like submit event. Suppose once you click on the submit button like here, so our event there is a submit, so we have type here like a here submit event function. So inside we need to write our scripting code, and here we don't want to refresh the page, so prevent default. Okay, so impossible to refresh the page. Now we need to implement our ajax here, so dollar ajax, and inside we need to do like a type. So what is the type? Our type is equal to post. We can go other file and we can copy paste, so also possible, but let's type, is not taking time. URL, whatever URL we need to redirect, so our URL there like a submit message, so just copy and paste above and put down. Okay, data, so data means we need to use like a same form whatever data we are doing, so just take a new form data, and this means this is the id against whatever data there inside form, like a form data, so we can get here. We also need to upload like a file, so this reason we need to do the process data and content type. So just we can do it like a process data is equal to false, same thing we can do like content type is equal to false, same thing above. Now our method is there is like a data type is JSON, so we need to use like here JSON. Now once you can click on the submit, so we need to show our success message. What is the success? So just we need to use success. Okay, I think I have made up spelling mistakes. No, function, let's make space, and here I can pass like data, so whatever message I success received we can put it here. And down we need to show like error, suppose we have generated the error, so just copy and paste, and you can put change here like a error. Okay, and here also data. Once you can get a like success message, so we need to show here, and once we can get a like error message, so we can do it here. So let's create for this route like submit message. So just go to routes, inside it go web.php, and here we have already done like a common function, so just copy and paste, and here you can change, and here you also you can change get to post, and here you can change like a chat controller to submit message. So let's go to set controller, and here we can do it like a function submit message, and here I can use like a request, so we know okay what data I received using the form. So let's make a dd, and we can debug what data I get here. Okay, I save these files and I just go back again, refresh the page. So and I also open like spec element using the F12. So let's go to console. Any error there? Let's go to, okay, this is the like different plugin error, so don't worry about that. And I just put like a hi, click on the send message, and we go to network. So it's not working. So here there is a append called object not form data. So our library here, we are using library like we need to make a serialized form, because of this is the new data is not accepting here like a new form data dollar this, so is not accepting. So we need to use like here serialization form serialize. I think it's not serialized issue. 1 minute. Oh, because I have made like here is the a capital, this reason. Process data, content types, data types, and I think now is good because I have made here capital letter. You can see it. This generated the issue, I think so. So just save these files and just go back again, refresh the page, and we can add a hi message. And after click on the send message. So let's get to hi, click on the send. So you can see it like a fire the ajax, you can see it submit message, and also you can see it like we are getting the data receiver id message and token. Okay, so who is a receiver message? Receiver id means this user received the message, and sender id means is the user login, this guys. So let's do is a very quickly, and because this video is going to very big, so I just need to show here how to send message for this video. So just go to here and you can copy the function name like a chat model dollar chat is equal to new chat model. Here means like a sender id means auth, user means whatever user login, this is the sender id. And now we do like receiver id, so whatever data you are passing inside message like this is the receiver id, for this user receive your message. So here we can do it like receiver id dollar request and receiver id. Sorry, I made a mistake, just copy and paste. Same thing we can do is like messages. So we know, okay, this is the message and put here message, and I save this file. And also we need to use like created dates, because we need to use like time zone wise. So just go back again, copy this column, and you can change here like a time. Okay, and here we can make like a, right now I'll just make like a dollar json success is equal to true. After I need to make here like another function to get data whatever you submit. Let's make it right now dollar json encode and dollar json. Okay, now it's clear, no any issue. Just go back again, refresh the page, and we can check working not working. So just refresh the page, and I just put like here hi, I am testing, and I click on the send message. So submitting working very well, and you can see it like success true. Let's go to database, so we can check our data get not get. So you can see like sender id is 1 because I will log in as the admin, so is a sender id. Receiver id is a 21. So right now teacher 4 is receiving the message, so is a 21, you can see it. Okay, and also whatever message I have typed, this is the going here, and also status is here showing the zeros. And also we have made like our timestamp date means the UTC time. So we need to convert any time zone, so we can convert easily. This reason I am storing the UTC time. This reason using direct like time function. Okay, so all is going to UTC time inside database. So I think everything is clear about this send message. Also I will show you how to divide all part like a sender, receiver, and like a not sender, header messages, like a send messages like users. So in this video I have explained like a send messages. Next video we can show here all the messages whatever I will send. Also we need to upload the files, also we need to make a hidden. Also once you click on the send message, so we need to make it like sometime disable, after we need to automatic enable. All thing I will show you inside the next video. I hope you can understand everything what I explained, and suppose do you want to not understand, so please carefully watch again video, because this is the part of the main video inside the chat module. I know also is a main module inside like query. I can show you everything query like how to get all the user, how we can make filter here. This reason I leave here filter. You can see it here like chat module I can go, so just go up. So I already leave it filter here. Otherwise I can put everything inside users, but I need to search data, so just we need to change this data. And also you can find out load more button, so I can explain very well and clearly. I hope do you want to understand everything. Suppose do you want to not understand anything, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.